Welcome back to Tech Made Easy, and today I'm going to take you through some of the errors in the Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Alright, so the first error is the hash error. This happens when the number you to fix in a cell is too big to fit in there. So the best way to eliminate such an error is to adjust the column. So let's try adjusting this one and we see. As you can see, the error has been eliminated. Alright, now the second error I want to teach you is the div O error. It happens when you divide a number by a zero or by an empty space. So let's try to find our average using equals get2 divide by 0. So as you can see, they will give you that error. So for you to eliminate it, you just have to go and delete the 0 and put any number. Based on our average, they're 4. So, and they give you the answer. Alright. Now the third error we're going to learn today is the value error. You want to see it. It happens if you're calculating. For example, how we calculated our total, we use numericals. And let's say on Hope's max, let's try to eliminate the max and fix it with the word leg. Alright. As you can see, you get the error. You get this error on her total because when we are calculating the total, we are supposed to add the numericals, but in Hope's Max, we added the numericals, the numbers, plus words, so it doesn't add up, and that is how we get this error. So to eliminate it, you go and check on your word. To eliminate it, you go and delete the word and put a number 58. So as you can see, the error has been eliminated. So we go to the next error that you're going to most likely. These are some of the errors that you're going to be finding as you continue with Excel. Alright, let's go to the next, and I'm going to try to delete this cell. Delete this error. This error happens. It happens when a formula is pointing to a cell that doesn't exist. And in most cases, that happens when you delete, just like how I have done right now. I deleted the math section, and that is why I got this error. It happens when you've deleted something, or when that cell or the column no longer exists. So that's how you get this error. And how to fix it is to just bring back what you deleted. As you can see, all is back. Now the next error we're going to study today is the hashtag name error. This error is so common, and it happens if, let's say, let's try to do, let me calculate my average. It happens when, in most cases, in your function, in your formula, you have typed in wrongly, or in a function when you've inserted a function that is not built in the Excel. For example, in Excel function we use sum, but if you put in add, obviously it will bring you that error. And in a formula, let's say we are getting the, or let's get the total again. Let's get the total. total. Alright, so on the total, because I'm going to use B2 plus C4 plus, instead of putting D2, I am going to put DD plus E2, then enter. So as you can see, this error happens because on my formula, I inserted in something that was so incorrect. If this DD, I was supposed to make it as D2, and that is basically what this error is. To fix it, you just go and put in the correct thing, and as you can see, all goes well. Alright, those are mainly the errors that I've told you today. There's still very many errors, and there is the NA error that is mainly found. Uh, you get it when you're using VLOOKUP, and that is again another video that I will have to make on how to use VLOOKUP, and then I'll show you how the error comes about. And I hope that in this brief video, I hope you've gained something to increase your specialty in the Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.